Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another Wander Beauty product with this beautiful packaging here. Wander Beauty is seriously one of my favorite brands. They make such great quality products because they're all about multitasking, multi-use, and what I have here is the Highline Liquid Liner. So I struggle with liquid liner. I am not good at it. I just feel like I cannot get the hang of it, but I'm really hopeful that this will help me and that this one will be easy to use based off of what I have been reading about it. So it retails for $22 and it's supposed to be a smudge-free, quick dry formula with a tapered felt tip that allows for easy control and crisp lines, and it's supposed to be tug-free and glide across the lid, which when an eyeliner tugs on my eyelid, I struggle so much. It looks jaggedy and then I end up doing a really thick line and it's just not good. So all of that sounds very promising. So let's check out the tip. It does say to shake it. And okay, it's that felt tip. Let's do a swatch and see how it writes. Oh, good. It's a flexible tip, but it's actually not quite as bendy as I was expecting. So it does still seem to have some good control, but I do notice it feathering on my hand. Like it's expanding into the little lines on my hand. So hopefully it looks like a smooth line when I apply it to my eyes and it doesn't feather like this. But wow, yeah, it did dry down quickly. No smudging or transferring after it's dried down, aside from that feathering effect. But okay, let's go ahead and see how it is when I line my upper lash line. Oh, wow. You can get a very skinny, precise line with this tip. It's more of a smaller felt tip than I typically see in liquid liners, which I don't think is a bad thing. But that line that I just did was actually so skinny, I didn't even get it close enough to the lower lash line. So I kind of need to go over it to make it a little thicker. But wow, you can get so precise and right onto that lash line, and it's very easy to fill in. So just connecting it all. Yeah, it does easily glide on, and I feel like this is a perfect liquid liner for when I wear false lashes, because I like to use a liquid liner before putting on any false lashes, even if it's an invisible band, because I find it to look more natural and hide the lashes better. And this is a super dark color that I can get all the way down right onto the lashes so there's no separation of the skin, so then you really can't actually completely hide the lash band. And I love that it's not drying out as I'm using it. So I'm just not good at winged liner, so I think I'll spare you and me and not even try it. But if you are good with wing liner, you like wing liner, this would work great. But that looks awesome. It's actually not feathering, but maybe I don't have the lines on my eyelid for it to feather as much, but glad to see that's not an issue on my eye. I like this. It came out so good on this eye that I'm going to go ahead and try it on my other eye without shaking it or anything. And let's see how the ink stays and how long lasting and I guess like inky it actually is. I mean, it really does not seem to be drying out at all. Yeah, because I like to get really skinny at the inner corner here with my liner, and you can totally do that and then make it a little bit thicker if you want to along the rest of the lash line. But a great dark color that is fully opaque, pigmented, and seriously easy to use. And that means a lot coming from me when it comes to liquid liner. And so there we have it. me with some decent looking black liquid liner on my top lashes. That's not something I can do very often, but I'm happy with how this came out. I think this product, this formula, is everything I was hoping it would be. It will be my new go-to black liquid liner because I actually feel comfortable with this. And it really is like the perfect applicator, perfect formula. I would say be careful if you do have like lines maybe that it could feather into. That's my only slight complaint, but it's not anything I'm seeing as an issue on my eyes. But if you have tried this, please let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. But if you are looking for a great black liquid liner and you're willing to splurge on it a little bit, I really do like this one, and I think that you would as well. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.